Guys, today we're testing out 3 insane ways to turn sound into text. And yes, one of these tools is so fast, so accurate, and so free, it feels illegal to know. If you've ever tried to write down an interview, podcast, meeting, or lecture, stop. You're wasting hours. We're about to fix that in seconds. Let's get straight into it. First up, the tool that shocked me with how fast it is, RecCloud. I uploaded a 5-minute audio file, and it transcribed everything before I could blink.
What?
RecCloud has crazy accuracy, lightning-fast cloud processing, tons of languages, works on any device, no downloads, no nonsense, and best of all, it's free. I swear it feels like cheat codes. How to use RecCloud. Here's how easy it is. Go to RecCloud. Upload your audio, and boom, instant text. That's it. You're done. It's actually that easy. You can then copy or export the file instantly. Plus, this tool can identify speakers too. Simply activate it from the tool. The secret feature everyone forgets. Way number 2 is something every device has, built-in dictation. Play your audio near your phone or computer, and it types it out live like magic.
Karate pants. You know the ones with a little extra room down there? You get where this is going.
Pros and cons. Free, no downloads, super fast for tiny recordings. But it freaks out with noise, long audio, or multiple speakers. So yeah, use it for quick stuff only. And finally, Turboscribe. Another online sound-to-text tool that's actually pretty solid. Pros and cons. Fast, easy, works online, supports common audio formats. But it has limits, accuracy can be mixed, and it doesn't handle long audio as well as RecCloud. How to use Turboscribe. Simple steps. Go to Turboscribe. Upload audio. Pick language. Click Transcribe. That's it. Quick, minimal. Final comparison. So here's the breakdown. RecCloud. Best overall. Fast, accurate, free, easy. Beast mode. Dictation. Best for short stuff. Turboscribe. Good backup. And that's it. 3 mind-blowingly easy ways to turn sound into text. But if you want the fastest, cleanest, most accurate way, just use recloud.com/transcribe-sound-to-text. It's literally the beast of transcription tools. Slam that like button, smash the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments which tool you want me to break next. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go!